Happy birthday, Dafi. So today, Dafi turns 3 years old, and I have made them a cake. Would you like a slice? Well, if you want more than a slice, you need to go to the future Dafi auction, because this is going in the mail Monday morning to go to them to auction off. And what it is a decorative cake you can set out in your craft room. And the top layer is a doily book that I have made, and it's just different little pieces in here together. Let me try to move the cake. Maybe not. Okay, let's put it up here. So this may not take an hour, guys, but it's just all different little pieces put together to form a doily book. And this is going to be, all of this is going together. How they decide to sell it is up to them. So the second layer of my cake, I did the entire outside, and I did not complete this row because I wanted to leave one blank for people who wanted to add to their own snippet roll. So let's unroll it and see what we have here. And I'll roll it back up nice and tight and put pins in it so that it holds. Most of it is fully decorated, but with the blue and white, I loved it so much I didn't keep adding to it. So whoever gets it can. There's a whole lot of snippet roll here, guys. A whole lot of snippet rolls. So this is layer number 2. And there's the end of the first one. And like I said, most of it, some of it is all fully decorated, some of it is partially decorated so that whoever buys it can put theirs in. And where does this one start? This one's pinned over here. I think, let me find it. Yeah, here we go. So I tried to put a mixture of different colors into it on both of them so that there would be a lot of different things. But I'm going to show you how you can actually do this. If you've got it in your desk, you just reach in the middle and you kind of pull it up and then push it back in, and you can find pieces you're looking for and the colors you're looking for. And this was not wanting to unroll right, but I'll get it back tight before I send it. It's got laces, it's got mulberry flowers, it's got bridal trim, it's got beads, it's got pearls, you name it, it's on here. It's got some of Mrs. Staci Woodhouse's crocheted buttons that she sent. It's got bling bling and more bling, bows, you name it, it's on here. There's a sari in here. And like I said, there's a lot of buttons and beads in here. A lot of crochet pieces. And here's where this one starts. But I put these two together because I decided to only do the 3 layers. This one has a cameo on it. There's just all kinds of stuff. So, I'll keep on rolling it, and y'all can look at it. And this way, maybe when Clara goes to sell it, she won't have to go through all this. Or maybe she'll decide to cut it up into different snippets. Yeah, I would. This is a nightmare to try to deal with this big. But they do look cute sitting on your desk or in your craft room, and then you can just, you know, pull out the center and find a piece you want and snip it off, and you don't have to do all this unrolling. But this is a lot. It took me a month to do. these snippets, and I worked on it a little bit each day. And then on top of it, you get a cute doily book with lots of laces, crochet pieces, trims, beads, charms, all kinds of things. So guys, watch for this to come up, however Clara decides to sell it. And thank you for watching, and thank you for joining in and being a part of Dafi and helping celebrate their birthday today. See you soon. Bye-bye.